Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on AWS Glue Python Shell jobs. AWS Glue is a fully managed extract, transform, and load (ETL) service that makes it easy to prepare and load data for analysis. Python shell jobs in AWS Glue allow you to write ETL scripts using Python. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following topics. Before you begin, make sure you have an AWS account and have AWS Glue set up in your region. You can access AWS Glue through the AWS Management Console. Let's write a basic Python script for the Python shell job. The script will read data from an input source, transform it, and write it to an output destination. For this example, we'll use Spark DataFrames. Replace placeholders like your input bucket, your output bucket, your underscore database, and your underscore table with your actual input and output paths, database, and table names. After running the job, you can monitor its progress and check for any errors in the AWS Glue console. The Logs tab provides detailed information about the job execution. That's it. You've created and executed a simple AWS Glue Python shell job. This example can be expanded based on your specific ETL requirements and data processing logic. ChatGPT.